Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the G.Skill Ripjaws S5 series DDR5 RAM, specifically the 96GB, 2x48GB, kit running at 5,200 metric tons S with CL40 timings. This kit is designed for the latest Intel platforms, including the 600, 700, and 800 series chipsets, making it a great match for 12th, 13th, and 14th Gen Intel Core processors, as well as the Intel Core Ultra 200 series CPUs. First impressions are important, and a matte white finish on these modules is clean and modern. It will look fantastic in any build, especially those with a white or minimalist aesthetic. Beyond aesthetics, let's talk performance. This kit boasts a speed of 5,200 metric tons S, with timings of 40-40-40-83 at 1.10V. These are respectable numbers for DDR5, offering a noticeable improvement over slower kits, especially in memory-intensive tasks. The 96GB capacity is a huge selling point for content creators, video editors, or anyone working with large datasets. This amount of RAM is a game changer. Say goodbye to frustrating slowdowns and hello to seamless multitasking. Gamers will also appreciate the extra headroom, especially in modern titles that are becoming increasingly demanding on system memory. Setting up the Ripjaws S5 kit is straightforward. It supports Intel XMP 3.0, so enabling the XMP profile in your BIOS should automatically configure the RAM to its rated speed and timings. However, keep in mind that achieving the rated XMP speed and maintaining system stability depends on your motherboard and CPU's capabilities. It's always a good idea to check your motherboard's QVL qualified vendor list to ensure compatibility. One important thing to note is that memory kits should never be mixed. G.Skill sells these kits in matched pairs, designed to run together. Mixing different kits can lead to instability and system failure, so it's best to stick with a single, matched kit. While this kit is an ECC, it's designed for high performance and gaming. The dual-channel configuration ensures optimal bandwidth for your system. In real-world use, the Ripjaws S5 kit performs admirably. Applications load faster, multitasking is smoother, and gaming performance is improved, especially in titles that benefit from higher memory bandwidth and capacity. Overall, the G.Skill Ripjaws S5 96GB DDR5 kit is a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their system's memory. The combination of speed, capacity, and aesthetics makes it a well-rounded option for both content creators and gamers. Just be sure to check your motherboard's compatibility and enable XMP in your BIOS to get the most out of this kit.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.